Now that I see it on you, I understand. I feel like I'm waiting for the limo to take us to your next red carpet event. Well, sweetheart, if that's the dress you want, then
Yes. You're right, John. It's not the time. So before I send her back, take the mental picture. So perhaps